Hi, what's your name? Hi, my name is Hai. I am from Group 1 VIP Efforts English K-5 class. Nice to meet you. Welcome to Mini Story for Kids. I ask you answer every question. Answer every question. Okay, let's start. Carlos bought a new car. Oh, it was a very expensive car. It was a huge, blue, fast car. Oh, while driving down the street, Carlos saw a girl on a bicycle. She had long blonde hair and was beautiful. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay. Who bought a new car? Carlos bought a new car. What did Carlos do? Carlos bought a new car. How many new cars did Carlos buy? 1. Carlos bought a new car. How was the car? New. The car was new. What did Carlos buy? A new car. Carlos bought a new car. Did Carlos buy a new car? Yes, Carlos bought a new car. Did Carlos borrow a new car? No, Carlos bought a new car. Did Carlos buy many new cars? No, Carlos bought a new car. Did Carlos buy an old car? No, Carlos bought a new car. Did Carlos buy a new bicycle? No, Carlos bought a new car. How many expensive cars did Carlos buy? 1. Carlos bought a very expensive car. How expensive was the car? Very expensive. It was a very expensive car. How much was it? It was very expensive. What did Carlos buy? A very expensive car. Carlos bought a very expensive car. Was the car cheap? No, it was very expensive. Did Carlos buy the expensive car? No, Carlos bought a very expensive car. Did Carlos buy an expensive car? Yes, Carlos bought a very expensive car. Did Carlos buy a very expensive taxi? No, Carlos bought a very expensive car. How many huge blue fast cars did Carlos buy? 1. Carlos bought a huge blue fast car. How big was the car? Huge. The car was huge. Very big. What color is the car? Blue. It was blue. What was the car speed? Fast. The car speed was fast. What did Carlos buy? Carlos bought a huge blue fast car. Did Carlos buy the huge blue fast car? No, Carlos bought a huge blue fast car. Was the car small? No, it was huge, very big. Was it black? No, it was blue. Was the car slow? No, it was fast. Did Carlos buy a huge blue fast bicycle? No, Carlos bought a huge blue fast car. What was Carlos doing when he saw a girl on a bicycle? Carlos was driving down the street. Where? Was Carlos driving? Driving down the street. Okay. Who saw a girl on a bicycle when he was driving down the street? Carlos saw a girl on a bicycle when he was driving down the street. What did Carlos see? Carlos saw a girl on a bicycle. Where was the girl? On a bicycle. Was Carlos driving down the lake? No, he was driving down the street. Did Henry see a girl on a bicycle? No, Carlos saw a girl on a bicycle. Did Carlos kiss a girl on a bicycle? No, Carlos saw a girl on a bicycle. Did Carlos see two girls on a bicycle? No, Carlos saw a girl on a bicycle. Did Carlos see a boy on a bicycle? No, Carlos saw a girl on a bicycle. Did Carlos see a girl in a car? No, she wasn't in a car. She was on a bicycle. Who had long blonde hair? The girl had long blonde hair. How was her hair? Her hair was long blonde. What was long blonde? Her hair was long blonde. What does she look like? She was beautiful. Did Carlos have long blonde hair? No, she had long blonde hair. Did she have short hair? No, she had long blonde hair. Did she have long blonde eyes? No, she had long blonde hair. Was she ugly? No, she was beautiful. Okay, if it is. Very good, very good. That's it. That's it.